Hello, I am Ramchandra. I live in Madhavpur. I have a wife, Pramila. I have 2 daughters, Priya and Reema. The sisters are very different. Priya is kind. Reema is selfish. Reema finished college. We talked about her marriage. Papa, he must be rich. He must be educated. I do not want a poor man. He is a bank manager. He has a house and a car. He is rich. Okay, Papa. I agree. Reema's wedding was big. I spent much money. I had much debt. Later, Priya was ready for marriage. I looked for a husband. We have no money. I spent it on Reema's wedding. Rich families ask for money. I cannot give. Do not worry, Papa. I agree to this marriage. I will be happy. I only want your blessings. Priya's words brought peace. Priya's wedding was simple. Priya helped her husband, Amar, at their small clothing shop. She also took care of her father-in-law and home. Reema lived a rich life. She went to parties and shopped. One day, Reema came to Priya's shop. She had sweets. My husband bought a new big house. It cost 80 lakh rupees. I came to tell you. That is wonderful, Reema Didi. Priya, your sister, showed off. She made fun of us. She knows we cannot buy such a house. No, Amar. She came with love, not pride. Her husband is rich. I am a small shopkeeper. We cannot buy such a house. Yes, you can. You can buy 2 houses. You are your own boss. Everything here is your hard work. If you want it, you can do it. I am always with you. Priya's words inspired Amar. He worked hard. Priya helped him daily. The shop opened early and closed late. They were kind to customers. They sold good quality clothes. More people came. Amar, we need new designs. Fancy clothes from big cities. More customers will come. Our profits will grow. Yes, a great idea. Let us do it. In a few years, Amar built a big mall in Priya's name. It had new clothes. People loved it. Business grew fast. Amar and Priya became successful. They hired a nurse for father-in-law. More malls opened. My daughter-in-law is like a goddess. She came and everything changed. She turns dust into gold. One day, Amar took Priya to a grand mansion. Wow! Whose house is this? It is beautiful. It is ours. I bought it for you today. But we just bought a big house. Why another? You said we would own 2 big houses. Let us tell your sister. They went to Reema's house. They heard Reema and her husband arguing. Why did you cheat the bank? We lost all our savings. We will lose our house and car. You lost your job. You wanted parties and big houses. Now face it. Do not blame me. Reema saw Priya and Amar. She cried, "Oh, you are here? We did not see you. You heard everything. I do not know what to do. Can I be a manager in your new malls? It would help us." Amar and Priya agreed. Reema's pride was broken. She understood. Do not be proud of money. Priya and Amar also paid Ramchandra's debts. Every year, Amar gave clothes to poor people. They helped others. They spread kindness. Both sisters lived happily. This story teaches us: work hard. Hard work changes life. Money is nothing if it makes you proud. Be humble. Success will follow. If this tale of hard work and humility resonated with you, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to White Eagle for more inspiring stories, and tell us what true wealth means to you in the comments.